Hey guys, what is up? So I thought I would take this opportunity to record myself minting my terraform seed, my Genopet habitat, just because I wanted to share the process, and I'm excited about it because it's not cheap. You do have to invest in buying these crystals, and the terraform seed was something that I got when I bought the NFT. So yeah, this is something I'm excited about and I wanted to share. So what I just read in the Discord was that apparently the third seed that you drag onto the third crystal that you drag onto the seed is going to be the element of the habitat. So I'm told that water is the most desirable one that people don't want to sell, and therefore it's like the most expensive one. So I'm gonna see what happens if I do that. So let's start off, the third one will be this one. So I'm not going to start with that. I'm going to start with the other ones. So this one is, I think this one was Earth. Start with that. Let's go. Oh. Actually, the way you can check to see the elements is to go to magiceden.io and check them there. So yeah, that's an earth one. It's a wood one. That's a metal, fire, and water. So you can see, that's like 25 sol. The cost is for that one, whereas the other ones are a bit cheaper. But yeah, there's not many left either. So yeah, if you did want to, start with playing Genopets at a higher level, you do need to get yourself a habitat and a Genopet advanced NFT. And the way you can do that is you just go to Magic Eden and you type in Genopets, and then you can look through here and you can buy one. You can actually buy a ready-made habitat. Actually, I'm curious to see what they look like. So yeah, there you go. That is, it's not really able to see the element properly. What makes each one? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can see that's a fire element because it's glowing. I dare say, yeah, this would be a water element. That looks like an earth element. That looks like a fire element. I wonder what this one is. That looks like a wood element. Yeah, I actually like the look of the wood element, but I want to have the one that's obviously the highest price. So let's check the prices. They all seem to be about the same. So what, these ones are the cheapest. That's the cheapest one. And we'll go down and find the most expensive one. Interesting. Wow. People are asking 666 sol. Crazy. Let's see what the average price is. It's about 40, 30 sol. Wow. As if anyone would actually buy one for 222 sol when you can buy them for 40 or 30. Anyway, I'm just going to do a little bit more investigating before I do the actual minting. Okay, so I've decided I do like the water habitat the best. So I'm going to go and make that the third one. So I'll see if that actually is true and it works. So we'll start off now. Okay, so what we do is we basically slam it on, well, you have to slam it on the seed like that. So that was number 1. This is number 2. Huh, that was weird. That didn't work. Okay, we'll try again. Nope. It wants to play hide and seek. Okay, that was number 2. Let's go for this for number 3. Come on. Come on. Right, so that was 3. It's 4. Maybe not. 4. And 5. You'll have to excuse my voice too if I'm sounding a little bit tired. It is late at night while I'm doing this, but I just wanted to record it. Let's see if this theory works. Either way, I'm happy with whatever I get, but preferably I would like to have the water one. So we have to sign the transaction. My computer is laboring a little bit, so a long night. Okay, so I've just approved the first transaction and it's combining the crystals now, apparently. Now you will need to have 10 gene tokens in your Phantom wallet in order to mint your habitat. So yeah, I mean, please do your own research yourself to see like what you would prefer to do. Would you rather buy the habitat already minted, or would you rather buy the crystals and do the minting process yourself? Or yeah, it's totally up to you. But yeah, this is where you buy everything from, magiceden.io. So I did buy my crystals a long time ago, and so they weren't so XY back then. I had a feeling that they would go up in price the more people found out about this, so I'm glad I did that back then. I think I did a video on it too. But yeah, so here we are. I am now minting my terraform seed on this video. It's taking a little while. Now it's asking me to approve transaction 2. So hit it. Oh. Try again. Now, where you buy Gene is basically you can't get it on Phantom Wallet. I've tried. I couldn't do it, so the only place I've found where you can buy Gene tokens is on FTX. So, thankfully it's really easy to use. I've done previous videos on FTX if you want to do a search on that. But yeah, it's a super simple platform to use, and I've got sign up links below if you haven't signed up already, so you can get rebates. But yeah, so you can only buy them on there, and then you basically just send the Gene token from your FTX wallet to your Phantom wallet. You use the same address that's in your Phantom wallet to send the Gene to. So that's how I got around it. Wow, this is so slow. I wonder if it'll go through. It might not in this video, so what I'll do is just tell you guys what is supposed to happen, and that is when it does go through, then you will get in your Phantom wallet, the habitat will be in there. Yeah, look, it's failing to send, so I'm going to end this video here. But that is the process of how you go about minting your habitat, and I'm just going to keep persisting, and I'll leave it at that. Yeah, honestly, I really think Genopets is going to go ballistic this year. And yeah, I'm just getting a head start with minting and having my own habitat and an advanced Genopet. So, of course, it's open to the public. When it goes public, anyone can join for free, but you will have to, progress through and actually advance your Genopet, which might be a lot harder than if you just bought the NFT and so forth. But anyway, this isn't financial advice. I'm just really looking forward to playing this game, and yeah, I'm very excited. So just wanted to share the process. So that is all for this video. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.